This is Ed Titus from the Home Theater channel on YouTube. And today I want to talk to you about something I picked up about a week ago. I've been fooling around with it. And it's my new remote control by Universal Remote Control. And it's the MX-980. Now this remote control is supposed to be like the king of all new remote controls of the LCD screen. Not the touch screen, but the LCD screen. If you like having a remote control, the feel of a regular remote control that can control almost anything that you have, then this is for you. I paid about $600 plus tax, and I bought it at an authorized dealership based off the website. So let me show you the remote right now. We pause this. Okay. This right here is the MX-980. Okay. This is the remote control. It has a motion sensor built in it. So that means you pick it up, it automatically comes on. Zoom into my screen here. I don't know. Straighten up for you. But that's my screen. Okay. All the buttons work all the way down. It sits on this dock here, so you don't have to recharge it. I mean, this dock recharges it, but it don't take batteries like regular, like AA batteries, stuff like that. Sits on the dock. Hit the watch button. Next page. It controls everything. It's like my little clock page right there. Let's go back. That's my AC fan, my projector screen right there. My lights, my Xbox 360, my satellite. And then we hit listen, and that's my receiver button right there. Now, it comes with this little package right here. This is so you can plug it up to the computer. Plugs right into the remote control. Now, this particular remote control doesn't come with the CD. If you go through their website to an authorized dealership, then you will be able to download the CD from the company. Now, the company that you buy it from, if it's not unauthorized, you have to make sure they give you the CD, or you will not get the program, and the remote control is useless. So let me take a look at the program here. This is a little glimpse at the program. And it comes with a lot of good files already on it. Let's look at the gallery here. Downloads the gallery. And it comes with, a lot of the button displays already in it. A lot of the new button displays already in it. Amplifier, audio server. A lot of the program files are right there. Bedroom. A lot of the buttons are right there. Blinds, Blu-ray, cable, camcorder. It's got a lot of the buttons already in the program itself. Just giving you a little glimpse. That's dining room, direct TV, dish network, a regular dish, doctor, your doors, anything that could be controlled by remote control. Look, Dreamcast, DVD, theater, anything. It's in here. And you can edit. You can put your own files in here, your own picture files, favorites, fan, fireplace, fountain. Let's go back here. Let me show you my stuff a little bit. Download my controller. Now, so look at my controller right here. This is my theater start. You click this, it's got micros, and it turns on the projector, you know, the screen and everything like that. And let's see if I got something else to show you here. Click on Xbox logo right here. Next page. If I click on video games, it's got the Xbox controls already in it. Screen. See a little background back there? I put this background in it. You can actually edit your own pictures and put it in here. I've got my son on here. Let me show you that. I think it's inside the Epson's projector. As you can see, the little Madden logo in the background there. I put that on there. Then, I don't know if you can see it good, but that's my picture of my daughter. And then a picture of my son I put back there. Let me see something else. This right here. So you see I put the Matrix logo in the back there on one of my satellite boxes controls. And that's basically it. You know, this is the MX-980. Built-in motion sensor. Controls everything here. Let me show you just an example of what I'm talking about here. Here's my room. And you see my AC over there. Let's hit this. Let's hit AC button. Okay. Let me take you to the web page real quick. Now this right here is the universal remote control web page of the M80. You go down, it's got support, sales rep, dealer locator. You click on dealer locator and this comes out. You put your state, like where I live at, you know, and wherever you live at, and you put your zip code here, and then you click find dealer. And from that point, it'll show you the authorized dealer in your area. Remember, if you don't do this, you will not get support. Whoever you buy this controller online has to give you the CD, because they will not let you download this CD from the website. What I did was I bought it from 6 Ave. I don't like saying company names, but they're authorized dealership, but they don't have to give you that CD. They really wanted me to use their programmer who wanted to charge me more money, but I already know how to do it myself, so I called the company up. They gave me a 24-hour passcode. I used that passcode, and then I was able to download the program. So, word to the wise, if you don't go through an authorized dealer, the remote control is useless without the program. Thank you for watching the Home Theater channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.